The 2027 Subaru Crosstrek is doing something that almost no other subcompact SUV in the segment is willing to do, delivering genuine all-wheel drive capability, a capable hybrid powertrain, and a dedicated off-road variant, all at a price that starts well under $30,000. If you've been searching for a small SUV that can actually handle winter roads, rough terrain, and daily commutes without forcing you to choose between capability and affordability, the 2027 Crosstrek is going to be exactly what you've been looking for. Most buyers assume that standard all-wheel drive, a reliable powertrain, and serious off-road hardware are features reserved for larger and far more expensive vehicles. But the 2027 Crosstrek is about to prove that assumption completely wrong, and we're going to show you exactly how. Best all-wheel drive system in the class. Here's something that separates the Crosstrek from the moment you start comparing it to classmates. While the majority of subcompact SUVs either skip all-wheel drive entirely or offer it only as an expensive upgrade, every single trim level of the 2027 Crosstrek is going to come with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive as standard equipment. No exceptions, no upcharges. But the real point worth understanding isn't just that all-wheel drive is included. It's the specific way it works. Think about that moment when you're pulling out of a snowy driveway or navigating a rain-slicked on-ramp and the back end starts to shift. That brief loss of confidence is exactly what Subaru's symmetrical setup is designed to eliminate. Unlike systems that wait for a sensor to detect wheel slip before reacting, this is a mechanically coupled drivetrain with a permanent connection between the front and rear axles, delivering traction continuously. Layer on the X mode, dual mode traction system, and you have a capability package that goes well beyond what the price tag suggests. That all-wheel drive system is already impressive on its own, but what happens when Subaru pairs it with a hybrid powertrain and somehow keeps the mechanical connection completely intact? That's exactly what's coming, and it changes the conversation entirely. Capable hybrid powertrain. There's a valid concern that follows electrification in the SUV segment. Add a hybrid system, and the mechanical all-wheel drive disappears, replaced by an electric motor that simulates traction but doesn't truly match the real thing. Subaru is specifically addressing that concern with its new hybrid system. The system combines a 2.5-liter Boxer engine in Atkinson cycle with electric motors and a lithium-ion battery, producing a combined output of 194 horsepower. That's a bit more than the standard gas model. Consider what that means on the road. Merging onto a busy highway, pulling away from a stop sign, overtaking on a two-lane road. These are the moments where most subcompact SUVs feel hesitant. The instant low-end torque from the electric motor means the Crosstrek Hybrid is going to respond confidently in exactly those situations. Without the engine needing to wind up first, the symmetrical all-wheel drive system remains mechanically intact throughout. No compromises to the drivetrain in the name of efficiency. Fuel economy is rated at 36 miles per gallon combined, with an estimated range of 621 miles per tank. That's a figure that most all-wheel drive vehicles at this price simply can't touch. So the hybrid makes a strong case on its own. But if you occasionally leave pavement behind entirely, there's a version of the Crosstrek that goes even further, with upgrades no other subcompact in the segment comes close to matching. Wilderness. Dedicated off-road variants in the subcompact segment are rare, and that's precisely what makes the Crosstrek Wilderness worth paying attention to. This isn't a cosmetic package, it's a genuine engineering upgrade. The Wilderness rides on taller suspension components, raising ground clearance to 9.3 inches, paired with Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain tires on 17-inch matte black alloy wheels. A lot of subcompact SUV owners aren't hardcore off-roaders. They're people who camp a few weekends a year, visit trailheads with their families, or deal with rough access roads to their favorite fishing spots. For that buyer, a vehicle that handles those situations without a second thought is genuinely valuable. Exclusive bumpers, enlarged wheel arch cladding, enhanced underbody protection, and a towing capacity of 3,500 pounds, more than double the standard model's rating, round out a package that delivers real-world utility. StarTech's water-resistant upholstery and all-weather floor mats keep the interior prepared for whatever comes with it. All of that capability, though, is only as dependable as the engine powering it, and the unit under the Crosstrek's hood has a reliability story that most buyers in this class have never encountered before. Proven Boxer engine. The 2.5-liter Subaru Boxer Flat 4 is going to power every gas-only Crosstrek trim in 2027, and it brings characteristics that competing powertrains don't easily replicate. The horizontal opposed cylinder layout positions the engine's mass low in the chassis, a lower center of gravity that contributes directly to the Crosstrek's stability and balance, both on pavement and off it. Output sits at 182 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, with fuel economy of 27 miles per gallon city and 33 highway. But here's Here's what matters most to buyers thinking beyond the first few years of ownership. Unexpected mechanical failure after 80,000 or 100,000 miles is one of the biggest hidden costs of vehicle ownership. The Boxer engine carries a well-documented reliability history built across a very large number of vehicles over many years of production. It's naturally aspirated without a turbocharger adding complexity. For anyone planning to hold onto a vehicle for 150,000 miles or more, that proven durability record carries real financial value that doesn't show up in the base price, but absolutely shows up over time. A reliable engine and capable drivetrain go a long way, but the technology inside the cabin is where many buyers make their final call, and the Crosstrek has more going on there than it might first appear. Tech features. The 2027 Crosstrek is going to keep things practical on the technology side without requiring buyers to step into expensive trim levels just to access features that should come standard. Base trims are getting a dual 7-inch touchscreen setup for infotainment and climate control, along with keyless entry, push-button start, dual-zone automatic climate control, and the full EyeSight driver assist suite, standard across every single trim. Adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and lane keep assist are not going to be a paid package. They're included from the base model up. The premium trim adds an 11.6-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while hybrid trims get a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster as standard. Further upgrades include wireless charging, a 10-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, and a 360-degree surround view monitor on the limited hybrid. Optional packages across multiple trim levels cover blind spot detection, automatic emergency steering, and reverse automatic braking, giving buyers meaningful flexibility. A strong technology package raises an obvious question. Does all of this come at a price that puts the Crosstrek out of reach? The answer, as it turns out, is one of the more pleasant surprises in the segment. Release date and pricing. The 2027 Subaru Crosstrek will hit showrooms later this year. The base trim will start at $28,500, with symmetrical all-wheel drive, 8.7 inches of ground clearance, and the complete EyeSight package already included. The premium steps to $29,500, the Sport to $32,500, and the Limited to $34,500, adding leather seating, blind spot detection, and reverse automatic braking as standard. For those with adventures in mind, the Wilderness will come in at $35,500. That's a figure that looks strong against the extent of its off-road hardware. The Sport Hybrid will also start at $35,500, while the Limited Hybrid will go at $36,500. These are mainstream prices for a hybrid SUV, with fuel savings over time making the total cost of ownership even more compelling. When you add it all up, the 2027 Subaru Crosstrek is building a case that's genuinely difficult to argue with. Standard all-wheel drive on every trim, a mechanical drivetrain that no hybrid rival in the class is willing to match, 8.7 inches of ground clearance as a starting point, a hybrid powertrain rated at 36 miles per gallon combined, a Wilderness variant that goes further off-road than anything else in the subcompact segment, a proven Boxer engine with a long-term reliability record, and a full safety suite standard before a single option is added, all from a base price of $28,500. For buyers who have had to compromise on capability to stay within budget or sacrifice reliability to get the features they wanted, the 2027 Crosstrek is the rare vehicle that refuses to make you choose. It delivers on every front that matters, at a price point that keeps it within reach. And that's exactly why it continues to stand apart from everything else in its class. Clearly, it's one of the best options in the subcompact SUV segment, but it's not like there are no solid alternatives around. If you're looking for something less rugged but more upscale and elegant, then you definitely want to check out our video about the new Buick Envista. It's more stylish and more luxurious than most of its classmates, but at the same time, it remains practical and easy to live with.